Hi everyone, I'm Manpan Wong from Burnaby, Canada. Today I would like to share my project on CS50. The project name is called the Product Marketing by Python Selenium. As I was a product manager, I have spent a lot of time on the product searching, competitor comparison. So now, after learning the knowledge on the CS50, I try to write my own coding and let the computer do by himself for me. So let's see what my program look like. Here is my program structure. I input all the library, what it needs, and install the Chrome driver, which is used to have the Google browser. So I input my keyword search portable espresso maker and set the class detail and instruct the computer what information they need to get the detail for me. And after that, it will summarize as a file name, which is called the us1.csv file. So let's see what happened. So now it opened Google browser and input the keywords, and it will do the searching and data scraping one by one. And I have set only, it is allowed 3 pages only, because more than 3 pages, the details may not be so relevant. So after 3 pages, the program will stop by itself, and the file will be automatically generated here. So now I open the file, and those details are print according to what it gets from the browser. Thank you very much for your attention. It is my CS50 final project. Thank you.